SAT and IGCSE Math exam practice. We are starting variable and expressions. Welcome to SaadX. This is the first episode of these topics. Let's get started. Question 1. Twice the product of m and n decreased by the square of the sum of m plus n. So first we have to find out step by step. First, twice the product of m and n. So product of m and n, and it will be twice, right? Then decrease by the square of the sum of m and n. M plus n, it's a sum and square. This is our answer. This is our first answer. So which one is similar? Number B. Very simple. Which of the following is an expression for the statement above? So as per this statement, 2mn minus m plus n whole square is our right answer. Okay. Second question. The product of a number x and 4 decreased by 12. So first, the product of a number x and 4. Product, it means multiplication of x and 4. So this one we can write like 4x. It's a product of a number x and 4. Then decrease. So decrease, it means subtraction, minus by 12. So it will be 12. So which one? Number D. 4x minus 12. Okay. This is question 2. Third question. The quotient of 19 and a number D increased by 7. Look. The quotient of 19 and a number D. So it's like 19 divide D increased by 7 plus 7. Okay. This is our answer 3, which is number A. Look, the quotient of 19 and a number D. It means 19 divide D. Okay, and increase by 7. So we are completing 3 questions of variables and expressions. Question 4. Here is Mario received Y text message each minute for 10 minutes study and receive T text message each minute for 20 minutes today. What is the number of text messages he received for 2 days in terms of Y and T? So first we have to understand this expression. Mario received Y text message each minute for 10 minutes study. This is the study matter. Study received. Y text message each minute for 10 minutes study. It means 10Y. and receive T text message each minute for 20 minutes today. Today received, so in this case 20 T. Total received, it will be 10Y plus 20 T, and this is our answer, number D. Okay. Number 5. Which of the following expressions represents the product of 3k and the sum of m and 1/3 of n? Look, first here is the product of 3k. Look, this is number 5, product of 3k and the sum of m and 1/3 of n. It means m with sum 1/3 of n. It means n by 3. 1/3, look, 1/3. It means 1 by 3. Okay, so 1/3, 1 by 3. So 1/3 of n, 1/3 of n, it means n by 3. So this is the product of, here is 3k and with sum of m plus 1/3 of n. So it's a m plus n by 3. So our answer is 3k times m plus n by 3. So this is number C. Today's last question, number 6. Here is mentioned the difference between two numbers is 8. Okay, if the smaller number is n to the 3rd power, what is the greater number? So here is also we have to understand something. The difference, look, the difference between two number is 8. So this one minus this one equals to 8. Let's say this is x and this is y. It's a difference between two numbers. If they smaller in n to the 3rd power, it means 3rd power, n 3rd power means n cube. 3rd power, it means cube. Okay, and what is the greater number? So it's a very simple thing. So here is x minus smaller one is this one, n cube. So we have to find out the greater one. It means x equals to, here is difference 8, x equals to 8 and plus n cube. So our answer is number B, which is n cube plus 8. So no more today. We are trying to solve 6 math based on SAT and IGCSE math. It's a good platform for exam practice. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to share with others. My channel name is SaadX. Thank you.